We're going up the Stony Bay Peak, an 800-metre high peak above Akaroa. Follow the gravel road up to where you can take the easy way to the peak or the harder Stony Bay Peak climb. That's us.
Here we go.
Going up, 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 up. Shit.
Are you on one of the tours?
Yeah, I'm on the Kelsey June tour. Kelsey and Jess tour.
Yes.
Pit stop.
We're basically there. So we were wearing matching outfits, but we were at high risk for kidnapping
Exactly.
in our matching outfits.
So now we just have matching hair.
So now, changed. Here we go. Continuing onward.
And up.
Upward.
Hello.
Hello.
Is it this way?
Very New Zealandy, is it?
Yeah.
You are here.
You are here.
So we've come all the way up here. And we've got to go.
So pretty. Wow. Back in our matching outfits.
Back to the
Back at it. Here we go. All the way up.
Oh, Kelsey. Where are we? That is the peak. Point her out. Yes! We're running along the track.
Just two little hobbits finding our way. What's the name of the Hobbit movie, or the tale? The Tale of No End. The Journey's End. A Tale of Two Towers and Three Rings. An unexpected journey. Yes. We are the Twin Towers.
Misty Stony Bay Peak.
Oh, misty eye of the mountain below.
So,
50 minutes. Positive comments book.
yes. Only good vibes for all people who read this note. Dream your life, live your dreams. Namaste.
I feel like this is a good one for a hike.
Reminder, you'll never feel 100% ready. Do it anyway.
Do it anyway. Stick it in the book. We made it to the top. It's freezing. We're wet. But the clouds are starting to clear. Oh, you can't tell, but we can see our ship down there. Oh, the clouds just blew over again. We're literally in the clouds.
That's crazy. Crazy. Worth it.
Okay, what did we learn today on our adventure?
Well, you may be hot at the start, but you're going to be cold at the peak. And it may not be raining, but you can still get wet. No, on a more positive note,
That's
our
actually a good
bodies
lesson.
are so capable.
Yeah, they
And
really are.
if you just keep going, you can do it.
Yes, life lessons with Jess. And if you have a good friend and some snacks and a bottle of water,
You can
really anything is
conquer
possible.
anything.
We were literally up there, right there, just a few
Insane.
short hours ago. Ending with a perfect little cafe in Akaroa.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow, 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 wow.
That's right, yeah.
We made it back on the tender, headed to the boat. We climbed all